In this video, I'm going to reveal 2 different ways that you can make money with Zoom meetings. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn which one you want to choose. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to be notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my free unemployee handbook. That handbook will teach you how to make money online step by step. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income, and today I want to help you. All right, for those that haven't been paying attention for the last 2 years or so, Zoom is an online meeting and conference that you can start for free, which is a bonus, but it helps people of all shapes, sizes, and locations get together and meet and talk about different subjects and topics. Now, believe it or not, there are 2 different ways that you can use Zoom to make money online. So let's talk about the first way and probably the most obvious way. The first way to make money with Zoom is simply to gather a group of people together and sell them stuff. You can be an affiliate for different products and services. You can sell them your own physical or digital merchandise, but getting people together on Zoom and doing free webinars can be a great way to make money online with Zoom. And simply what you need to do is you need to find a way to get in front of your targeted audience. And one of the best ways to do it is simply with YouTube. Now, what you can do is come to YouTube and create content on anything. For example, we could say how to start an online business or how to bake a cake. Let's try that one. How to bake a cake. How to bake a cake like this. And so what you're going to do is you're going to create content based on your customers or your clients' needs and wants. And then within your description of your videos, you are going to say, hey, come check out my free Zoom webinar where I teach you the secrets of a 6-figure cake maker or an award-winning cake maker or cake baker, whatever it is. And again, this is based on your niche. And so you can use a Facebook group if you want. You could use YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, wherever you want. Wherever your target audience is hanging out, you can use that as your vehicle to get people over to your free webinar. Now, people will sign up because it is free. The key to your webinar and to your success with making money on Zoom is to set up a free webinar. Within that webinar, you are going to show them more tips, tricks, and tactics based on whatever it is that they're interested in, based on whatever problems that they have. And then towards the conclusion of the webinar, you're going to say, hey, look, I know over the last hour, hour and a half, we've gone over some very valuable information. Now, if you want even more information, if you want to take your baking game to the next level, you want to become even more knowledgeable, I have a special offer for you. And that special offer can be one-on-one coaching. It could be selling your ebook or your course, whatever it may be. And there will be a segment, a portion of the people that watched your Zoom, they'll purchase it because you have taken the last hour or last hour and a half to show them that you have knowledge and skills in a certain area. But one of the best ways to make money with Zoom is simply to offer a free webinar with a product that you're selling on the back end. And so once again, you're simply going to use YouTube or Facebook or even your blog as the vehicle to get in front of your targeted audience. You tell them to click the link because you're having a free Zoom every Saturday at 3 p.m. You're going to get maybe 10% of the people that watch that video. They're going to sign up, and then 10% of that 10%, so like 1%, are actually going to attend the training, and then maybe 1% of that will buy. But if you do this consistently enough over time, you will have a significantly well-off business simply by creating Zoom. Now, you will have to pay depending on the number of people that join your Zoom, so take that into account when you are offering these free webinars. But that is the first way. The second way, and probably lesser known way that you can make money with Zoom, is simply with affiliate marketing. And with affiliate marketing, you are recommending or selling Zoom to people that need it. Now, again, you can use YouTube as your vehicle. Now, people are going to be asking, like, how to hold a virtual meeting. As you can see, how to hold virtual office hours. And you can provide a list of the 5 or 6 best ways to hold virtual office hours and then tell them, hey, if you want the #1 solution, click the link. And if they join Zoom, you can earn a commission. But you can see that people are asking all sorts of questions and the solution would be Zoom. We could say like virtual interviews like that. So we could say like how to start or how to do virtual interviews. And one of the first things that they need for a virtual interview is a software that they can download to their computer or their smartphone, what lets them join the interview. But this is a great way to make money because you're simply creating content that helps connect a solution to a problem. And when people click on your affiliate link to Zoom, you can make money. But there are tons of different questions that people are asking. For example, as I mentioned, virtual, we'll type in interview like this. We'll say like how to, as you can see, how to attend, how to dress, how to introduce yourself, how to sit in. These are all different questions that could potentially lead you over to becoming earning a commission with Zoom. But I think this is an awesome way to go because you create this content and you can make money in a few different ways. The YouTube Partner Program, affiliate marketing, and if you have any other products that you can recommend, you simply, once again, just put your affiliate link in the description of your videos. We could say, we could say best software for virtual meetings or virtual tours or virtual machine. If we click on virtual meetings here, you can see once again that there are tons of opportunity. This top result has 35,000 views, the one below it 49,000 views. We can say how to start virtual meeting from my phone or from iPhone or Apple. And you can see once again how to start a video conference. You can, as you can see, the second one here, how to use Zoom on your phone. You can teach people how to do different things, and they're going to click on your links, and you can potentially buy. Now, Zoom affiliate program is part of Sovereign. It's commerce.sovereign.com. You type in Zoom affiliate program, and it'll take you right to it. But you can see here that you can be approved for this affiliate program. It is cost per click, and it's actually an approval process. So you'll have to join Sovereign or Vigilink, the affiliate network, and then once you're inside, you will apply to the individual affiliate program. So two options: you can either use Zoom for webinars and make money that way, where you're selling digital products, physical products, affiliate products, or even your merchandise, whether it's like pots and pans or t-shirts, or you can use it as a vehicle for your affiliate program. Now that you know the two different ways that you can make money with Zoom, click the first link in the description for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. When you click that first link, you'll be taken to a free ebook that you can download called the Unemployee Handbook. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also, check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.